Dr. Off-Road Machine. Hit the like button and subscribe to keep up to date with the channel, and leave comments below.
So what we have here today, people, is a King's thumper twin pump air compressor. It's meant to pump 300 litres a minute and pump up your 31 tyres in under 2 minutes. I guess we'll find that out once we do the unboxing. So let's get this underway, eh people? Get them out of the way. Let's see what we get inside. Good packaging. Get that out of the way. Packed nice and tight. Everything's enclosed. Let's lift that out. There's the pump. Put that on the floor for now. What have we got here? 12-month warranty card. I'll put that up on the screen later for everyone to read. And an empty box. I'll throw that back in. Wait, we close up the box. And we'll put this on top. So, we'll cut that. So we have the hose. Let's get this open, eh? Little pressure gauge. Don't know how that's meant to work yet, but obviously you can let down your tyres with it. There's a little button on the back if anyone can see that. Seems pretty sturdy. Well, we lost one of the covers. Put that back on. A good air hose connection. Looks pretty sturdy. Nice switch. Got the handle. And we've got a little warning label. Warning, read entire owner's manual thoroughly before use. For use with 12 volt batteries only. So not 24 volt, 12 volt only, people. Have a little package in here. Turn this around. Bumper. Clamps seem pretty sturdy. Let's check the connections, eh? Connections are soldered on. Could use with a little bit more of a clamping on the cable to stop them from moving around, but I may end up modifying that in the future, putting a little O clamp on the end of it and putting a nut and bolt through it itself to stop the solder from breaking off and me getting into trouble. But pretty sturdy construction. On the back of this thing, the model number is WM102-15C. It is a DC 12 volt slash 13.5, so when your car is running it will be charging at around about 13.5 to 14 volts. The airflow is 300 litres a minute and it runs 90 amps. So it has a pretty powerful draw there with 90 amps. It's up there on the pole, but considering that you only be using it around about 10, maybe 20 minutes at a time, but in the future I plan on plumbing this into an air tank on the car, considering it switches off at 120 psi. So in all aspects I'm looking at getting an ARB kit without the ARB name brand on it. Let's see what we've got in this little bag, eh? In the little bag we have a blower connection, slightly smaller and larger blower connection, and a ball needle for pumping up your kids' balls, footballs, anything like that that you take on the journey. Pretty sturdy connection here. That connects on there. Now in this video I'm going to be testing this to test its claims. I have 31-inch tyres on my car, so we'll be doing that later on in the video to see if it pumps up the 31 tyre from dead flat to full road going conditions in under 2 minutes. So it's going to be a full review, unboxing, so keep tuned for that. That is the Thumper twin pump air compressor from Kings. I'll do a little bit of a review on this at a later date once I've used it quite a few times and see how it goes. If I have any issues with it, I will let everyone know. Okay everyone, this is where I start the testing. First things first, let the tyre down. I removed the valve to do this to make sure it's completely dead flat.
short of their claimed 2 minutes. But I guess if it's only going from like 8 psi or 15 psi up to road going pressures, it would do it. But from dead flat up to road going pressures, it took a little bit over 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 2 seconds. But all in all, good pump. It'll take 12 minutes to pump up all tyres from dead flat. The likelihood of that happening, very small. But I'm impressed with this at the moment. We'll see how it goes after a few four-wheel drive trips and pumping up and airing down and everything like that along the way. See how long it lasts. I'll give a review of this pump in the future. Thank you for watching the video. As always, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and please keep tuned to the channel for more videos to come.